increasing, kind of flattens out, increasing. Do you see a maximum or minimum there? No. Because this guy's always increasing. He's got all x cubed. Here f prime is positive. Here f prime is positive. So if I were to draw a number line that has f prime, you say, oh, something's happening at 0, right? Well, f prime is positive, increasing on one side of 0. It's also increasing on the other side of 0. Do I have a maximum or a minimum? No. That has to be different on each side. Increasing, decreasing, decreasing, increasing. Piece of cake. Now, what if the graph has an asymptote? A vertical asymptote. Well, this is what becomes interesting, because I can go through, here's a critical number right here. Here's a critical number here. So negative 1 and 1 is a critical number. By the way, this is what I had problems with when I was a student. I would forget the vertical asymptotes every single time, and it just throws you off if you do. But I also have another critical value. This is a vertical asymptote. At x equals 0. Now, if I take a look at my number line that exemplifies f prime, I have a critical number at negative 1. I have a critical number at 1. But x equals 0 is a VA. Decreasing, critical number negative 1. Increasing, decreasing, increasing says that if I just go off of the number line, x equal negative 1 is a what? Minimum. Decreasing, increasing. Then I come to the other side. Decreasing, increasing. X equal 1, decreasing, increasing is a min. Now, this appears off the number line that x equals 0 is a maximum, right? I just said number line. But what do I know x equals 0 is? A vertical asymptote. Can't be a maximum. Can't be a minimum. It's a vertical asymptote. So there is no maximum. That's why when I go onto the number line, the VA is also a critical number. The VA is also a critical number. Why? Because he can actually impact what's going on. If I take a look at this guy, here's f prime. He has a critical number here and here, because that's a maximum and a minimum. So at 0, he has a critical number at probably 4, because that's why it's marked. And then he has a VA at x equal 2. I have to include him. But I mark him as a VA. Because otherwise, if I don't mark him as a vertical asymptote, I'm going to think he's going to be a maximum or a minimum. Or something that he isn't. Increasing, 0, decreasing. So there's your max. Decreasing, 0, increasing, there's your min, and your VA is really nothing. It can't impact, however, increasing and decreasing. Notice on this side, it did impact. Here I'm increasing followed by decreasing across the VA. Here across the VA, it's decreasing followed by decreasing. So the VA can impact increasing and decreasing, but it's not a maximum or a minimum. It is a domain restriction. It is a domain restriction. These are where